Hello friends, today we will solve Geek's problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is 12-hour clock addition. So now open this question. Given two positive integers num1 and num2, the task is to find the sum of two numbers on 12-hour clocks rather than number line. So the number is num1 is 5 and num2 is 12. Num2 is 7, so the sum of num1 and num2 is 12, which is 12-hour clock. So format is 0. Now see second example. So num1 equals to 3 and num2 equal to 5. So the output is 8 because 3 plus 5 is 8, which is 12-hour format is intact. So now we will write the code for this problem. So here we can write the directly return statement. So here first we will find the sum of num1 plus num2. Then we will, if num1 and num2 greater than 12, then we will find the remainder dividing by 12. So if the num1 and num2, if num1 plus num2 less than 12, then that value also be written. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. All the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.